Why do most maps fail to clearly show area boundaries in real-world projects? Let's see how you can create interactive 3D boundaries effortlessly using MAPOG, without making it feel like a complex GIS task. First, gather all your locational data with proper attributes in a CSV file. Go to story.mapog.com and go to the Create and Publish section and click on Create New Map. Choose with Template, then select the category Map template. Add your title and description, and click Create Map. Once inside, open Map Settings, upload your logo, and save it. You can also change the base map to improve the spatial view. OpenStreetMap works great for visualization. Now click on Add Location, then select Upload CSV. Before uploading, click on Select Business Location Template Settings. This will redirect you to create a reusable template. Click on New Type, add a title, choose a color, and set geometry to point. Add fields like name, type, category using text, number, or select formats. Enable contributor access so others can update data. Finally, click Create Type. Now go back, select your template from drop-down, and upload your CSV file. Define location fields, assign a unique ID to avoid duplicates, and match attributes. Set field types as latitude and longitude, then submit. Our locations will instantly appear on the map. Click on any location and hit the edit icon. Go to Edit Business Location Details and add descriptions and images to give each point more context. Repeat this to structure all your locations properly. Now comes the exciting part. Go to Annotation and click on 3D Boundary. Select the freehand tool and draw around your area. Double-click to finish, and watch the boundary rise into 3D instantly. Customize it, adjust name, color, opacity, and height. Repeat this for different areas to clearly define zones. To enhance clarity, go to Add Layer Style and choose Category. Assign colors and icons based on attributes. Use Label feature to display names, customize font, color, and style. You can also use the Group By option to organize locations based on attributes, making your map cleaner and easier to explore. Finally, go to Preview and Share. Set your map to private or public, depending on your audience. Share via link or embed it on websites. You can even add users and assign roles for collaboration. And just like that, you've transformed a flat map into an interactive 3D experience. From planning to storytelling, 3D boundaries make your data easier to understand and much more engaging. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.